Where you said, it works by picking up that phone. Has there been anything else where you look at yourself and saying, oh, I actually changed some of my habits or how I'm outgoing when I talk to customer? Have you changed over the last couple of years?
I would say we're better at looking at data because we have so much data available to us now. It's almost overwhelming, and we're getting better and better all the time at using it, leveraging it to drive value. But I think when you're talking to a customer, the more you've studied that data and understand kind of what they're doing by what they're buying and how many of what, and do some analysis, and then you go to the customer and you've kind of put together a picture of what they're doing just based on their purchasing habits, which I'm not sure that we really had the tools to do that in the past. And so that's one thing that's helpful. You can go to them and you're a lot more educated than you were before because you're able to see so much of what they've been buying. So that's one thing. And the other thing I think is just understanding that they are working hybrid. Yeah. And they're not in the office every single day. And so that changes things. The expectation that you can set a meeting with them in 2 days and that they'll be there, it just doesn't work that way anymore, unfortunately. Yeah. I mean, we love face-to-face meetings. That's the holy grail. We're always trying to get face-to-face with customers. But virtual meetings are really great. I mean, they can be really productive and they can be helpful too. So I think just giving the customer the leeway to decide whether they wanted to be face-to-face or virtual. It's not about what we want, it's about what's going to be best for them. Yeah, so listening in, what they need, right, and what their problem is. Yep. I also think with the virtual meetings, sometimes you can get some of the first initial questions that can help you to that second meeting that could be in person, right? Will actually be much better and bring much more value. But it all depends. That's how it is.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.